Do you think making money online is a get-rich-quick scheme? Pause for a beat. It's a common myth, isn't it? The internet is brimming with promises of easy wealth, overnight success stories, and self-proclaimed gurus selling dreams. But let's be real. There's no magic formula or secret recipe. These get-rich-quick narratives are often smokescreens for scams and misleading tactics. It's crucial to approach these claims with a healthy dose of skepticism. So, if it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, what does it take to make money online? Making money online requires time, effort, and a clear strategy. It's not as simple as clicking a few buttons and watching the cash roll in. It's more like setting up a digital storefront. First, you need a product or service that people want. Then you need to build a platform to sell it on. This could be a website, a blog, an online store, or even a social media account. But building the platform is just the beginning. You also need to market your product and attract customers. This requires a solid understanding of online marketing strategies, and often involves a steep learning curve. And once you've got everything set up, you need to keep learning and adapting to stay ahead of the game. Perseverance, patience, and a willingness to invest time and effort are key. This is a marathon, not a sprint. But don't just take our word for it. Let's recap what we've learned about making money online. We've shattered the illusion of the get-rich-quick scheme. It's a myth, a mirage in the desert of the digital economy. The reality is that making money online requires patience, persistence, and a good deal of hard work. It's not about overnight success, but about building something sustainable and rewarding over time. We've also touched on the importance of steering clear from false gurus who promise instant wealth. Instead, focus on honing your skills, learning new strategies, and adapting to the ever-evolving digital landscape. Remember, the path to online wealth is seldom quick or easy, but with the right approach and dedication, it's a journey worth embarking on.